What should you study over the summer to get ahead for IB Physics? I've been teaching physics for 10 years now, and this is the program which I tutor over the summer to help my students get ahead of everybody else. Number 1, combining vectors. So this sounds like a bit of a maths skill, and it is. Physics is going to take a lot of maths. Topic A gets straight into vectors. When you look at projectile motion, you can't understand it without understanding vectors. If you've got a good intuitive understanding as well as a mathematical background in that, you can dominate that topic. Next, understanding graphs. Can you take a straight line graph and apply the equation y equals mx plus c to it? Can you take a relationship which isn't a straight line, but then graph it as a straight line graph using this concept of y equals mx plus c? If you can, you're going to be understanding so much better than your classmates, and that's a skill I teach. How good are you at manipulating formula? Basic algebra, being able to rearrange fractions, being able to factorize when you have to, can be super handy when you want to solve problems. How are you at designing experiments? More importantly, how are you at spotting the common mistakes that people make? Can you actually measure something without measuring something else? There's so many ways that you can go wrong here, and having an understanding of the theory and the practical applications behind that theory is really powerful when it comes to writing that physics IA. So say you want to study these 4 things, but you don't want to pay a tutor to get ahead. You want to do it yourself. I believe in you. Go for it. Here's what I would do. I would start with YouTube. Have a look for GCSE level videos on the topics I've just described. Then move on to IB level or A level if you can't find them specifically for IB. After that, you want to find some questions to test yourself. What I suggest doing is finding some resource which you have access to that you can put into an AI. It might be past papers from the GCSE you've just done, or it might be past papers from some other exam body. Give the AI those questions and say, pick out any questions on the 4 topics I've just mentioned. Then give them to me and then have a go at them. Remember, physics is a practice-based course. If you practice it, you will get better at it. So, questions. Go for it, and good luck.